This Faceless YouTube channel is receiving millions of views and earning $14,000 per month by creating very simple YouTube short videos. They're using AI to make videos that appeal to the huge Marvel fan base, and most of their videos get millions of views. Here's an example video. We'll use 3 free and user-friendly AI tools to create videos quickly. After watching this, you'll want to start your own channel, just like the successful ones already getting millions of views. To start, we'll use the first tool, ChatGPT. To access it, sign up for an account and you'll see a screen like this. I'll share a ready-made prompt below this video. It's all set up to get us what we need. Just copy and paste the prompt. In this format, we'll provide ChatGPT with an example and ask it to create some quick and relatable quotes from Marvel characters. The prompt covers everything: the number of quotes, the topic, a Marvel character, the format, language, and tone. We'll even give ChatGPT some examples to work with. Once you press enter, the AI gives you the results in an organized table format. The superhero's name goes in the first column, the first part of the sentence in the second, and it continues in the third column. This makes it easy to copy and paste into our next tool. You can generate more quotes by asking ChatGPT for another set of 10 quotes without duplicates. Now let's move on to our second tool for creating images, which is Leonardo AI. While you can use Midjourney in this video, I'll show you Leonardo because it produces some incredible pictures. Our aim is to give superheroes a unique appearance. For instance, we can transform Captain America into a tiger. To do this, just type Captain America as a tiger in the prompts field, and Leonardo will generate an image of Captain America with a tiger's look. You can also type Captain America full body, or simply Captain America to get the original hero image from Leonardo. Download these images and repeat this process for your other heroes. Then, organize the images into a single folder. Please go to Google and search for Photo Room. Open the first website that appears. This website will help us remove the background from our images. Now, upload only the real hero photo. Remove the background and save it. Please repeat the process for all images. Now let's move on to the next tool. Type canva.com in the web browser. Once you're on Canva, sign up if you haven't already. After logging in, click the search bar and type YouTube Shorts. Select the YouTube Shorts template. Choose Create a Blank Template, and you'll have a new template ready to go. Next, we'll prepare the template. Here's the plan. Upload images and add text placeholders for our topic, first part, and second part. To start, drag and drop your images. Find the superhero as animal picture, click it, and drag it to the editor window's edge. This will fill the entire background, just like you see now. It's applied as a background video. Now let's tidy it up for text. Make it around 6 seconds long since we only need a 5-7 second video. Click on the video, then click the time icon above and adjust it to 7 seconds. Next, select the image, go to the top, click on the animate icon, then to go the left side, scroll down and choose Photo Zoom for image animation. Now drag the image with the original superhero below. Right-click it, choose Show Timing and set it to 3 seconds. We want the original superhero to appear in the last 3 seconds. Let's also add animation to this image. Go to the left side, select Animate, scroll down and pick Tumble. This image is now animated as well. Now let's include our text before linking it to our data for complete automation. Click on Text and drag in any of these text styles. Rename it to Topic and position it at the top. Now double-click on the text, change color to white. Then click on the Effects section, set the background option. Now change the font as you prefer. I am selecting it according to my requirements. Now duplicate this text and drag it down. This will be our first part text. Double-click on the text, then go to the Effect option. Select the Outline option, choose black color and set the thickness to 90% for improved readability. Now for the second part, click on the text for the first part and choose Duplicate. Drag it down to ensure visibility while we work on it. We'll connect the data for automation, but eventually we'll place it back in the same spot as the first part. I'll demonstrate that shortly. Right-click on the first part of the text, then select Show Timing. Now adjust the timeline to 3 seconds to display our first part of the text. Now right-click on the second part of the text, then select Show Timing. Now adjust the timeline to 4 seconds to display our second part of the text. Then drag the second part to the same location as the first part. Our template is nearly ready for data connection. Lastly, we don't want both text sets to appear simultaneously. Part 1 serves as the hook, while Part 2 delivers the punchline. That's why we adjusted the timing of Part 1 and Part 2. This strategic approach motivates viewers to engage with the video multiple times. Now let's proceed with connecting our text. We'll achieve this by utilizing Canva's Bulk Create tool. To access it, click on Apps in the bottom left corner, and you'll find it listed as Bulk Create. When you click on it, it will prompt you to enter all your data. This is precisely why we requested ChatGPT to present the text in a table format, simplifying the process of copying and pasting. It readily identifies this as the initial set of text to connect, followed by the second and third sets. Now, let's proceed by copying this text and returning to Canva. Click on Enter Data manually, then select the first column in the top left and paste in all our text. It's already correctly formatted, distinguishing between topics, the first part, and the second part. Click Done to proceed. You're all set. Now it will prompt you to link this data to specific sections in your editor, so it knows where to display the information. Right-click on Topics, then choose Connect Data Topic to establish the link. You'll notice squiggly lines around it, indicating that it's successfully linked. Repeat the same process for first part and second part. Simply drag the second part back over the first part, as we intend for both sets of text to be displayed. Now that it's connected, you're ready to proceed. Next, click Continue, and it will generate all 5 videos. Click Generate to create these videos. Now you can see all 5 videos. If you hit play, it will display the first part, followed by the second part, and so on for each video. The only remaining task is to change the images for each video. I created 5, but you have the flexibility to generate as many as you want, whether it's 20 or 50 videos. To export these videos, simply go to the Share option and click Download. We've achieved all of this through the power of AI and a touch of automation, streamlining the entire process. You can repeat these steps as needed to generate thousands of videos ready for your AI YouTube channel. This is how you can create thousands of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikToks using AI and a bit of automation. You don't need fancy video editing skills or a professional editor. With dedication, you can start earning over $14,000 a month through ad revenue, YouTube monetization, and sponsorships. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. By doing so, you'll enable us to create more videos just like this one.